excited to be here this evening. Hi. We're running a little late. We apologize for that. We didn't put our costumes together yet. So we stopped over at Hobby Lobby on the way over here. Good. That's what we're all doing tonight. Oh, that goes there. All right, that's pasty number 1. We're trying to make it look like an abortion. I don't know what that looks like, and I don't necessarily need to, I suppose. Yeah, of course it's gonna. I need it right there. Perfect. All right, we're almost there. Oh, my screws are showing. Okay, where are you putting the last one?
I think you know.
Oh no! Did you find some civil rights in there?
No.
No, because they're not there! They're not for sale! Oh, you're so ginger about it. Just get in there. Just... Nope. It's all falling apart. Yeah, we're not here for the dancing. You didn't come here for us to do the dancing. Some of you did. So we're going to get off the stage, and we'll be back in a little bit. pretty great opening act there.
That was, man, y'all, we already are having wardrobe malfunctions. We are having, I mean, it's titties, titties, titties. Y'all, how are you doing? Look at that. God damn, that's fucking beautiful. He's a star-crotch sneech. Don't swing it. Oh, girl.
Oh, thanks.
Round of applause for your host, Michael Grauman.
Hello, everybody.
And also, Flying Vagina.
This is Rob Hardesty. Hey. All right.